Cycling is more than just getting around, it's a lifestyle. Having the right gear can really improve your rides. There are plenty of gadgets and accessories available that can enhance your cycling experience. In this video, we've picked out the best bike accessories and gadgets that will change the way you ride. The links to all the mentioned gadgets are listed in the description below. Number 20. PatchNRide. The PatchNRide tire repair kit offers a quick and simple way to fix flat tires without the need for extensive experience or complicated procedures. It works with road, mountain, clincher, tubular, and tubeless tires, allowing users to repair punctures in under a minute. The kit includes a leak detector to find the puncture, a tool to apply the patch, and a pump to inflate the tire. Unlike traditional repair methods, it eliminates the need for tire removal, grease, or derailleur adjustments, providing a convenient solution for on-the-go repairs. Number 19. Rubbee X Ebike. If you're considering an e-bike but don't have the budget for one, the Rubbee X electric bicycle conversion kit offers an affordable solution. This kit allows you to convert your regular bike into an electric one, and it is compatible with most bicycles. Installation is simple and takes about 10 minutes, requiring just 4 Allen head bolts and 2 zip ties. The device includes a motor that powers the rear wheel, supported by up to 3 batteries, enabling a range of up to 30 miles and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The kit also features a smart brake light, a power button, and a charging port for convenience. For added security, you can easily disconnect the device to prevent theft. Number 18. Morgaw Saddle. The Morgaw Saddle combines both style and comfort for a smoother riding experience. Its design offers comfort without adding unnecessary weight, thanks to a unique patented system with shock absorbers. This innovation helps reduce bumps and provides a more comfortable ride. If any components wear out, such as the rails or seat, Morgaw allows for easy replacements without any hassle. The system enables you to switch the seat without disturbing the shock absorbers or rails, making maintenance simple. Morgaw's approach to comfort makes it an ideal choice for both new riders and seasoned professionals. Number 17. MEILAN X5. This bike tail light is equipped with 30 high-quality LEDs, delivering up to 85 lumens of brightness, making it visible from up to 150 feet in fog, rain, or darkness. It features a wireless remote that allows easy control of 6 lighting modes: steady with full brightness, fast flash, flowing light, left turn, right turn, and ground line. The light also includes an auto brake feature that increases visibility by brightening when you brake, while the unique ground warning line creates a virtual lane for added safety. Powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, the light lasts 5 to 10 hours on flashing mode, and the remote controller operates on a CR2032 coin cell battery, lasting up to 12 months. Number 16. Granite Stash RCX. This is a practical solution for cyclists who need repair tools while minimizing the bulk on their bike. It is designed to fit inside the fork steerer tube, replacing the traditional star nut with an expander, and keeps the tools hidden within the bike frame. The kit includes 8 tools, along with a spoke key and valve core remover, offering a variety of functions. It is easy to install and ensures that tools are always available when needed. Weighing around 110 grams, it provides a compact and efficient option for cyclists, helping to maintain a clean and organized bike setup while still being ready for repairs when necessary. Number 15. Multifunctional phone holder. This compact device combines a secure phone holder, a 5-watt Bluetooth speaker for music and hands-free calls, an LED light for improved road visibility, a 5000 mAh power bank to charge devices on the go, a bike horn for safety, and an integrated microphone for hands-free communication. It is compatible with most road and mountain bikes and can be easily installed without tools. Offering up to 12 to 15 hours of music playback or 6 to 7 hours of lighting, it ensures a convenient, safe, and enjoyable ride, while its weather-resistant design ensures durability in various conditions. Ideal for cyclists looking for an all-in-one solution to enhance their ride, this device provides both functionality and convenience. Number 14. Cycplus Tiny Pump. This compact and powerful e-pump is designed to efficiently inflate tires up to 120 psi, making it suitable for both road and mountain bikes. It is powered by a rechargeable 7.4 volts, 300 milliamp hours battery, capable of inflating about 20 tires on a single charge and requiring just 20 minutes to fully recharge. The pump features a digital pressure gauge for accurate readings and includes a built-in LED light for roadside repairs in low light conditions. Additionally, there are more advanced versions available, offering enhanced features for cyclists seeking additional functionality. Number 13. Binary gear. Take your cycling performance to the next level with the innovative binary gear integrated gearbox system. This patented bottom bracket design ensures smooth, precise 2-speed gear shifts even while pedaling at full power, eliminating the need to grind your drivetrain. The advanced gearbox increases your bike's gear range by an impressive 25%, helping you tackle any terrain with optimal efficiency. Whether climbing steep inclines or speeding along fire roads, binary gear's quick, seamless shifts maximize your power output. Its discreet mounting within your frame reduces weight while maintaining full drivetrain control. Embrace the future of precise gearing and unlock your bike's true potential with binary gear. Number 12. CYCLIQ Fly6. Next up is the CYCLIQ Fly6 Pro, a device that serves as both a tail light and a guardian angel. It combines a high-definition camera with a bright LED light, recording everything happening behind you as you ride, giving you a sense of awareness like having eyes in the back of your head. Only with clearer resolution, the Fly6 Pro also features incident detection, automatically saving footage if it detects a crash. With its continuous looping recording, you'll always have a record in case something goes wrong on the road. For cyclists who prioritize safety or have had close calls with aggressive drivers, this device provides both peace of mind and the potential to offer critical evidence if needed. Number 11. Bike Multitool. The multi-purpose bike tool is a compact yet versatile gadget designed for cyclists who need reliable tools on the go. This multifunctional tool includes 12 different tools, such as a chain breaker, 3 types of spoke wrenches, and a Phillips screwdriver, among others. Made from premium carbon steel, the tool is durable, waterproof, and resistant to rust or jamming, making it ideal for mountain biking. With its compact size of 7.6 centimeters, length 4.5 centimeters, width and 2.6 centimeters, height, this tool fits easily in your pocket, taking up minimal space while remaining highly functional. It is an essential companion for any cyclist, particularly for those who venture on long rides or adventures where carrying bulky tools isn't practical. Number 10. CoreCap Bike Computer. Simplify your cycling experience with the CoreCap Bike Computer. Unlike bulky devices or phone apps, this compact unit fits directly into the steerer tube of any bike, displaying essential metrics right in front of you. This design frees up handlebar space, making your ride more comfortable. The computer activates automatically as you start riding, so you never have to worry about remembering to track your ride. You can also customize your experience by setting up to 5 preset screens, making it easy to switch between metrics as you ride. Enjoy a hassle-free cycling experience with everything you need at your fingertips. Number 9. Zone DPMX. This small device easily attaches to your shoes, where it tracks your power, measured in watts, and cadence, measured in revolutions per minute or RPM, then displays the information on your ANT Plus bike computer or smartphone. Since the device is not attached to the bike, you can use the Zone DPMX on any bike, including stationary bikes, and still receive consistent and reliable data. This device provides important information that can help you perform better by giving you a clear understanding of your power output. The Zone DPMX consists of a plate and a pod that measure force and motion respectively, and they work together to communicate and calculate the most accurate data. If you want to cycle better, measuring your power is essential, and the Zone DPMX is one of the best tools to do just that. Number 8. Geo-Orbital Wheel. The Geo-Orbital Wheel is an innovative device that converts a standard bicycle into an electric-powered vehicle by simply replacing the front wheel. This easy-to-install upgrade allows cyclists to turn their manual bike into an e-bike without the need for complicated modifications. Featuring a 500-watt motor, the Geo-Orbital Wheel provides provides speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Its 36-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers a pedal-assisted range of up to 50 miles and allows for up to 20 miles of travel without pedaling. Designed to be compatible with most adult bicycles, the Geo-Orbital wheel comes in various sizes. It also includes a built-in USB outlet for charging electronics and a flat-proof tire, ensuring a worry-free ride without the concern of punctures. Number 7. Beeline Velo 2. With a 32mm screen, it provides two main navigation modes, one offering turn-by-turn directions and the other providing a simple directional arrow towards the destination, giving cyclists flexibility in route planning. The device can be paired with a smartphone app that supports route creation and syncs routes from other platforms through GPX files. It boasts an impressive 11-hour battery life with quick USB-C charging that provides hours of use in just a short time. Additionally, the device is weatherproof, making it ideal for all kinds of weather conditions. Riders appreciate its straightforward navigation and clear prompts, although it requires a Bluetooth-connected smartphone for full functionality. Number 6. Cycling glasses. These cycling sunglasses feature an innovative rearview mirror that minimizes the need for frequent head turning, though a slight adjustment or brief head turn of 15 degrees may be necessary for full visibility. Compact and efficient, the mirror helps enhance situational awareness with quick glances, making it suitable for safer rides by keeping you aware of your surroundings without constant head movement. Made from durable TR90 thermoplastic, these glasses provide a lightweight, secure fit with rubber tips that ensure they stay in place, offering comfort for both men and women even during long rides. Each pair includes a complete package with the tri-eye sunglasses, a mirror lens, a protective carry case, a microfiber pouch, a cleaning cloth, and a user manual, helping to maintain the glasses in good condition. The scratch-resistant lenses reduce glare and adapt to changing light conditions, while photochromic lenses protect against harmful UV rays by darkening outdoors and staying clear indoors, making them ideal for cycling, skiing, and construction. Number 5. Rockbros Front Bag. This versatile, waterproof bike frame bag is designed to securely hold your phone up to 6.5 inches in size while you ride. Its sleek and durable construction ensures your device stays protected from the elements, providing peace of mind on rainy or dusty trails. Perfectly sized for easy access, the bag keeps your phone handy for navigation, calls, or music without interrupting your ride. Compatible with most bikes, this compact accessory is a must-have for cyclists who want to keep their essential close and dry. Ideal for both casual and serious riders, it makes cycling more convenient and enjoyable. Number 4. Park Tool Cleaning System. This kit designed to efficiently clean your bicycle's chain, cogs, and chain rings, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. This system includes a chain scrubber, a gear cleaning brush, and an 8-ounce bottle of Bio Chain Bright degreaser. The chain scrubber utilizes rotating brushes to clean all 4 sides of the chain simultaneously, reducing the time and effort required for maintenance. Its design encloses the chain, minimizing mess, while the magnetic solvent reservoir collects and stores dirt particles. The gear cleaning brush reaches deep between gears and other hard-to-clean areas. The plant-based Chain Bright degreaser is safe for use on alloy, plastic, rubber, and carbon fiber components. Number 3. Elemnt Roam V2. It features a 2.7-inch 64-color display with Gorilla Glass, ensuring durability and clarity in various lighting conditions. Equipped with dual-band GPS, the Roam V2 offers enhanced accuracy, especially in challenging environments like dense forests or urban areas. Preloaded with global maps, including regions like North America, Europe, Asia, Oceania, and South America, it supports on-device turn-by-turn navigation for a seamless riding experience. The device connects to various sensors and devices such as electronic shifting systems, power meters, and e-bikes, and allows control over smart lights, music, and GoPro cameras directly from the computer. With a battery life of up to 17 hours and USB-C charging support, the Elemnt Roam V2 is a reliable companion for both daily commutes and long-distance cycling adventures. Number 2. Hiplok AIRLOK Hanger. The Hiplok bicycle storage hanger is a groundbreaking product, designed as the first of its kind with a key unlock system for added security. Constructed with durable nylon, it features a hardened steel core encased in impact-resistant plastic, providing strong protection for your bike. It is suitable for both indoor indoor and outdoor use and has earned a Sold Secure Diamond and ART rating, ensuring its reliability. The hanger is equipped with rubberized frame protection to prevent damage to your bike and features an ergonomic design for easy bike placement. With a 30mm hardened steel locking pin and a laser-cut key design, the system also includes a replacement key scheme, ensuring long-lasting security. Number 1. Slime. Slime tire sealant uses FibroSeal technology to instantly seal tubeless tire punctures up to 1/4 inch 6mm by targeting the puncture site and forming a flexible plug. It's designed for use with an air source to prevent and repair tire punctures for up to 2 years, making it ideal for all off-highway tubeless tires. The sealant works by forcing particles into the puncture as air escapes, quickly forming a long-lasting seal. This product is perfect for preventing and repairing flats in non-highway tires like those on golf carts, lawnmowers, small trailers, tractors, and scooters. It is environmentally friendly, non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and water-soluble. So that's all for today. Hope you liked the video, and please make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.